It's time to ride, y'all. Keep your head back, hold on tighter than bark on a tree, and say,
Whoa!
What is this thing?
That was fun.
It's so weird, but so good.
Like you got the little hang on the loops, then you got. I like how it rolls through that. Like I guess the roll.
Ready?
Is it mean to? Yeah. This is the fun part right here. The backwards triple. It just hit like that instant.
Whoa!
It hit you. The euphoria just hit like
yeah, you
that.
go like, oh look, Intamin box. Intamin.
Brakes.
Okay then. Yeah.
So what'd you think of that ride? Well, actually, you should be the one answering that
That's
question.
really cool.
How was that ride?
It's really cool. I still prefer Gilforce.
I thought this ride was a great ride.
It's really good.
you're free to go. Mind you stepping in while you exit. Y'all come back.